welcome back to my channel. I'm Morgan F and you're watching Morgan Eats, where I talk all about affordable and approachable plant-based food. So I just ordered my Misfit box and it just came through. And this is the first time I didn't order anything from their marketplace. And if you're like, what? I'll explain a little later when we get going. So if you're curious about Misfits and you're kind of wondering like, okay, what's in it? So here is my whole haul, and this costs about 32 bucks with tax, and I believe, so not too bad for just being strictly produce. I will say this is the first time I didn't order from their marketplace, which means I only ordered produce. I think, I only ordered produce, so I didn't get anything extra fun or anything like that, like any cookies, or because I was kind of in a rush. So starting off, kale. Got to have kale every week because I love putting it in a variety of things. My arugula, I have no idea what I'm going to do with this, but we'll figure this out throughout this week. And I just got some lettuce because I thought I could make like lettuce wraps. So this needs a good washing, but oh, I don't want to tear it. Be careful. This needs a good washing, but I'm going to get into that. And then I always order broccoli and I just freeze it. And so, and I use this, this portion, the stem, for a vegetable broth as well. So the whole kit and caboodle is going to be used. Red onions, these are like a staple. Red onions, white onions, staple. I always have to have these. This, celery. I don't like celery, but I'm going to try to juice with it. I believe I have some cucumber, so I'm going to do I'm going to juice with a cucumber and some celery. I got a pineapple. I'm going to work it out. My portobello mushrooms, this is interesting packaging. They put it in a little separation here. Most likely, I'm going to make a steak with this, or I'm going to stuff it with my crab cake recipe. So, and I'm kind of teasing you guys by saying the recipes that I'm going to make, because I intend to make another video showing you a few of the recipes that I made with this haul. So be sure that you subscribe and hit your notification bells if you're curious about this recipe, or what I make with the lettuce wraps, anything like that. I am disappointed that I only got 2 potatoes. 2 red and then 2 yellow. I was hoping for more. So I'll have to remember that next time. And then obviously my cauliflower here. Don't know what I'm going to do with that yet either. I have a spirit of buffalo wings on my heart, but I also make a pretty cool buffalo cauliflower rice dish. It's not cauliflower rice. It's like literally, I use the cauliflower to make like buffalo chicken kind of. So I might make that. Let me know if you're interested in that. Maybe I'll do that as a separate video, because I don't know if I feel like making that this week. My one lonely beet. I thought I would get more beets. I don't know what's going on here. Maybe I'm not reading it properly. I might need to hit like 2 on things. So I'm probably just going to juice that. So I haven't made this in a while, but I already know what I'm going to do here. I am going to make Alfredo. I'm not going to sing the song to you, but there is a song. It is awesome and catchy and wonderful. So I'm going to make Alfredo this week, so that'll definitely be in the upcoming video. So again, if you're not subscribed, you want to check out those recipes, subscribe. Limes, lemons, pretty much staples. Apples. Definitely going to juice with them, and I might use 1 or 2 of them. These are pretty big, so I might just use 1 of them with sweet potatoes. I like to make sweet potatoes with apples and have some rosemary and just olive oil, salt and pepper. It's a really good dish. My lonely orange. Luckily, I have little mandarin oranges in the fridge, but I thought I was going to get more than 1. So I'm probably just going to eat that. And this mango, this juicy mango, I'm probably just going to eat it. These I was really excited about. Apricots. Okay, yes. But have you seen one of these before? I'm going to call them a plumot? A mixture of an apricot and a plum, or a plum and an apricot. Because to me, they just look like plums. But I've never had them before. So we'll see. Okay. This is my haul, guys. Everything looks amazing. I can't wait to get cooking. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.